Hi, I am Maria. You are watching Golden News Channel. Today, the 22nd of August 2020. Now headlines. Majority of Security Council members oppose restoring sanctions on Iran. Postal balloting not ready. Counting of votes may take months. Trump. The coronavirus may take 2 years to eradicate. World Health Organization. Libya. Khalifa Haftar and government call for immediate ceasefire after 5 years. Light deleting T-shirts. Now details of headlines. You are watching Golden News Channel. Please share this video and subscribe our channel. New York. Most members of the UN Security Council opposed the U.S. demand to restore global sanctions on Iran. U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo presented a letter to the United Nations last day calling for restoring global sanctions on Iran. According to foreign media, the U.S. is facing isolation over the issue of restoring sanctions on Iran, as 13 of the 15 member states of the Security Council have opposed the restoration of sanctions on Iran. The 13 member countries of the Security Council reacted to the U.S. letter saying Washington's move is illegal, using the nuclear deal that America had signed 2 years ago. Foreign media reports say that the key US allies of the United States, including France, Germany, Belgium, China, Russia, Vietnam, Niger, South Africa, Indonesia and Tanzania, have written a counter-letter in opposition to the U.S. move. Postal balloting not ready. Counting of votes may take months. Trump. U.S. President Donald Trump says our preparation for counting votes through the ballot box is not complete, so the process could take several weeks or months. We are not prepared for more than 51 million balloting. The U.S. may face a setback because of the lack of timely voting, President Trump said in a statement. It may take several weeks or months for the presidential election to count votes, he said. The counting of votes is a serious issue for democracy, President Trump said. The U.S. president also expressed concern that hacking could be carried out by outside elements in the elections, adding that he was worried about the cyber attack during the election count. The US are going to have a presidential election on November 3, with Joe Biden of the Democratic Party, as compared to President Trump. After the U.S. not handled the Coruna well and the unemployment rate rising, Joe Biden has been the most influential figure in the initial survey. The coronavirus may take 2 years to eradicate. World Health Organization. Geneva. The World Health Organization chief has expressed hope that the coronavirus could end in 2 years. Speaking in Geneva, World Health Organization chief Dr. Tedros Adhanom said that it took 2 years to control the Spanish flu that spread in 1918, but the current innovation and technology could enable the world to control the virus in a short period of time. In the present time, we have technology and information to prevent viruses. Drive. Tedros said. The head of the World Health Organization called for national unity and global unity to eradicate the coronavirus. It was clear that the Spanish flu that spread in 1918 killed about 50 million people and the coronavirus has killed 800,000 people worldwide, while the virus has affected more than 22 million people. Libya. Khalifa Haftar and government call for immediate ceasefire after 5 years. TABILS. The rival governments in Libya announced in their separate statements on Friday that they would immediately halt military operations and hold elections at the national level soon. The United Nations has welcomed the agreement. The announcements were signed by Fayez al-Sarraj, the head of the unbacked coalition government based in Tarabellis, and the Speaker of Parliament, Khalifa Haftar Abdul Rahman, who is in charge of the eastern part of the country. Both sides have been in a practical battle since the establishment of the government of Sarraj in December 2015. The United Nations ambassador to Libya, Stephanie Williams, has called the announcement historic, saying that all parties should fulfill their responsibilities in this regard. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi also welcomed the ceasefire announcement. A statement issued by Prime Minister Fayez al-Sarraj from the capital, Tablis, ordered the army to immediately stop fighting in Libya and stop the war operations. Light deleting T-shirts. A private paint company has developed light-out T-shirts that will be used in a glowing design on T-shirts printed through screen printing. This method includes the nano-components of silica which are made in a gel and used in the work of hiding the gel. The company is developing light removal posters and other parts. Thanks for watching Golden News Channel. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.